Hello YouTubers, 2016 Nissan Rogue, and we are replacing the wiper motor. So first of all, you need to remove the plastic panel, and this is how it looks like. It just plastic clips all the way around, so you just pull it down. Then we get to the wiper motor, so we'll disconnect the electrical connector over here. And also we'll need to remove the plastic clip that holds the wire to the bracket. We'll just use the removal tool. Get this off. Next we will remove 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. And I guess before you remove anything from inside, you need to remove wiper arm. It's broken in our case, but it's just 13mm nut, and then you wiggle this out. Use some WD-40. This might be seized, and you might need wiper arm removal tool. I will leave a link in the description. In our case, it just broke off, so we will remove those 10mm bolts. So this is how your motor looks like. All those bolts are inside the rubber grommets. So if you're replacing your wiper motor after the windshield was broke, as it was in this case, make sure that you install this rubber grommet, rubber seal, before you install the new motor. So the seal is in, and we use just some window cleaning solution to make it easy to go in. So now we will install the new motor back in. So you just slide this piece in. Oops, one bolt fell off. Get it started. Put all the bolts in. Get it tight. Put your wiring in, and also clip the wire to the bracket. And next, all you need to do is install your plastic cover, and as I mentioned before, it just clipped. So as long as your clips are lined up, it should just go in. So now when your motor is installed, we will turn it on so it gets stopped in a position where we want to install the wiper arm. So now when our motor ran a cycle, we'll put some anti-seize on this shaft, and we will get this installed, and 13mm nut. Get it tight. And that should be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check our links to the parts and tools. Thanks for watching, and do it yourself.